a small story in front of you. Once upon a time, there lived a man with village. There lived a man in village. He was very worried about his son. His son was very lazy and careless. He never do any work. He just wandered here and there in the village all the day. One day his father decided to teach a lesson to his son. He called his son and gently said, "Son, there is a watch in the kapadu. You can bring it me." And son said, "Yes, Papa, I will bring it." He went to the near of kapad. He opened the kapad and he took out of the watch and bring it near of his father. And father looked at the watch and told him, "Son, go take it this watch and go to the market, and you meet everyone whom you meet everyone to ask what is the price of this watch." The boy nodded and went to the market, and he asked everyone of persons. Some people said some people said it was the worth of 500 rupees. Some people said it was the worth of 800 rupees. Somebody said it is the price of watch 1000 rupees. Everyone told different values, but no one agree completely what is the price of this watch. And he come back to the home and told his father, "Papa, everyone told different prices. Somebody told 500 rupees, somebody told 800 rupees, and someone told the same rate, repeat it, and somebody told 1000 rupees." Father was smiled and again go back and this watch put again into the kapad. And the
Speak
boy
fast, ma'am. Speak fast. Yes, go fast.
the
Yes.
boy was the boys go and the put it in the watch kapad. And next day the father came and
Father came to not. Father came.
father came and called him, "Son, again and take this watch again, you go to the market. This time you don't ask the what is the price of watch. This time you ask what is the price of inside the what is the price of time inside the watch." The boy was so confused. What is my father is telling me? And he confused. He go to the market and ask any people. So somebody told me, "Are you what are you doing? What is the time? What is the price of time?" The people, are you foolish? Don't come near me." And somebody laughed to asking this question. And the boy was felt sad. He embarrassed. Boy came on small shop. In shop, the old man is busy in his work. Boy came near to old man, asked, "What is the price of watch? What is the price of time in this watch?" The old man smiled and looked at the in front of boy kindly. He said, "No, no, boy, don't put the price. We don't put the price of time. We cannot. We give lot of money. We give millions of money. We cannot get by. We cannot get. You cannot get time back into our life. So you should be use your time wisely." Then boy was listening carefully. The old man was continued their speech. The time has two one bad things and good things. Bad thing is the time is passed away, and good thing is how should you use in our life. And my dear friends, time is so precious. Time is so important in our life. Time is free for everyone. Time is priceless. Time is no time is priceless. You cannot buy time. And we can spend it. You can use it when time is so important in our life. You can use time wisely. Thank you, Anand.
Very nice. Yes.